How to switch to real account on ExpertOption. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to a real account on ExpertOption. Firstly, open up the ExpertOption application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the real option from the top of the screen if you are currently using the demo account. Once you tap on that, tap on the real option and you've just switched to a real account from the demo account. Real account uses actual funds unlike the demo account. Before switching, make sure you understand the risk and that your account is funded and verified if required. So that's how you easily switch to a real account on ExpertOption. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.